Hey, this is my Dodge Challenger. Doesn't it look great? But the thing I want to point out is the lifter tick. Do you hear it? This is a common problem for Challengers. Here, I'll rev the engine so you can hear it more. This is only a 2015, and I've been dealing with this problem for 1 year. That click, 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 click. The dealership told me it'd be about $4 grand to fix this problem on a 2015. So beware of buying a Dodge Challenger. You can find it. Every mechanic I've talked to knows that there's a problem. Even when I told the dealership, where's the recall, they said, recalls are for safety. So notice when you see a Dodge of any kind, start noticing the ticking noise coming from the engine. Don't buy a Dodge.